Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, What Shines by Deborah Schecter. The sun shines. The sun shines. A flashlight shines. A flashlight shines. The moon shines. The moon shines. A dime shines. A dime shines. A ring shines. A ring shines. My shoes shine. My shoes shine. I shine. I shine.